Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I'm going to show you how you can make this beautiful poncho. It is so elegant, beautiful, but guess what? It is so easy to make. If you crochet to sell, I think that this idea is perfect. The other day I was wearing it with a black top under and it looks amazing, but today I wear this beautiful red blouse and it looks good too. I don't know what you think, but I think that also will be perfect for any season. Imagine this poncho with a turtleneck under for winter, or for a summer you can use an spaghetti straps and will be perfect for the season. So I hope that you will make it in different colors too if you want. Here and during the video I will give you all my secrets and tips. And remember that before we start I want to invite all of you to subscribe. Remember that it's completely free, but well, I will give you the material list and then let's start. And also don't forget to give me a like. Let's start. We will start by the neck, making 120 chains. When I did this video, I used this material, but I'm not sure if you still can find it. As you could see, I used 2 threads of this material that it's a fine material, but you can make it with 200 grams of a material between fine or lightweight yarn. You can make it in the color that you want. In this case I will use this combination and I will use the hook of number 3.5 millimeters. Well, this poncho is in a standard size, so will be a unisex size. I suggest that please don't tie too much, try to relax and crochet a little bit loose. Okay, like this 120 chains. Well, at the end of the 120 chains, we will check that the strip of chains is not twist, okay? We are going to join like this. So once we check, we are ready to slip one to close right here in the first chain that we made. Okay, here in the first stitch. So we are going to slip one to close. Then we will go up with 3 chains, and then in the first stitch we are going to make a double crochet. We are going to make a double crochet out of 3 crochet. You see again. Then 2 chains. We will skip 1 space and next to it a double crochet, and again we are going to make this segment of 2 double crochet, 1 in each stitch out of 3 crochet, remember. Then 2 chains, and again we are going to skip 1 and next to it the next segment, like this the whole row. Well, at the end of the row we will have something like this. Please check that you didn't twist. In case that you twist, well, don't worry, this is the step where you should fix it, okay? Just put it straight, and it doesn't matter that at the beginning we have a small twist. It's better that we have it here than in the rest of the project, okay? So you can correct that and please check that. Once you are sure, we are going to slip one to close, okay? So here I'm checking. We will finish with 2 chains, so we are going to slip one to close right here in the first double crochet. And now the next stitch will be like this. We will go up with 1, 2, 3 chains, then we will make double crochet over double crochet, and here we are going to change a little bit. Instead of making 2 chains, we are going to make 3 chains, and again double crochet over double crochet, and like this is how we are going to continue the whole row, okay? It's still making segments of 2 double crochet and the double crochet out of 3 crochet, so like this the whole row. Well, so here I finished the row with 3 chains, okay? We are going to slip one to close. So this is the first row with 3 chains between segments. We are going to make 1 more. So here at the beginning we have 1 row with only 2 chains between. Then we are going to make 2 rows with 3 chains between, and then 2 rows more with 4 chains between. Okay, so at the end we are going to have 5 rows. And well, unlike this is how we are going to continue, remember, making double crochet over double crochet. So here we are about to start the second row with 3 chains between. Okay, but see you at the end of the 2 rows more that we are going to make with 4 chains between segments. So we will have 5 rows at the end, remember. Well, guess what? At the end, I added 1 row. So here we have 1 with 2, 2 with 3, 2 with 4, and the last one I made with 5 chains between segments. Okay, I'm always making double crochet over double crochet. So well, now we are going to continue with the stitch for the rest of our poncho. So first we are going to slip one until the first segment. Well, and right here then we are going to make 5 single crochet inside of these 5 chains. You see? So here I have 3, 4, and 5. Then we are going to make 15 chains. 3, 4, 5. After these 15 chains, we are going to skip this space and then we will jump to the next space and right there make 5 single crochet. And then after these 5 single crochet, we are going to make 15 chains. And like this is how we are going to continue the whole row. Okay, at the end of the row, we will finish slipping one to close the row. Now we are going to slip one and then out of the 5 single crochet that we made before, we are only going to make 3 single crochet. So we are going to slip one and then we are going to make one. Okay, no, I think we are going to slip one to have them right there in the middle. So here we are going to have the first single crochet, then 2 and 3. Then from here we are going to make 7 chains. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then we are going to insert the hook right in the middle of these 15 chains and slip one. Then again 7 chains. And then again here out of the 5 single crochet we are going to make 3. Okay, and we are going to place them right there in the middle and then we are going to repeat and make 7 chains. 2 and 3. Okay, then 7 chains and we are going to repeat. Well, here at the end of the row we are going to slip one to close. Now instead of making 3 single crochet, we are going to make one right here in the middle. Then we are going to make 7 chains. 4, 5. Oh, here I lost. Okay, so here we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And we'll also here instead of making 1 single crochet we are going to make 3. So 1 before, 1 in the top, so single crochet over single crochet, and 1 after. So here we have 3. Then 7 chains, and like this is how we are going to continue the whole row. Okay, and here 1 single crochet, then 7 chains again, and where we made 1 single crochet, 3 single crochet. So like this the whole row. Okay, so see you at the end of this row. Well, at the end of the row we are going to slip one to close. And now with these 3 rows that we have just made will be one series. Okay, like this series we are going to make more. So as you could see here we have 1, 2, 3. So this will be one series, remember. To start with the next row and with the next series we are going to slip one until here. Okay, until the first single crochet that we find. So see you there to start with the next row. So well, once we are here, we are going to repeat what we made in the first row of this series. 5 single crochet and 15 chains. 5 single crochet and 15 chains. So we are going to make one before, then one single crochet over single crochet. So here I have 2, 3, 4, and 5 after this segment. Then 15 chains. Let me take 2 threads. Okay, 15 chains. Let's count 4, 5. Okay, so after these 15 chains, we are going to make again 5 single crochet. And we are going to continue like this the whole row. When we finish to make this row, we are going to start with the second row of the series. Then we are going to continue with the third row of the series. And like this, we are going to continue making more series until we get the long of the poncho that we want. And then for the second row, remember that we made 7 chains, 3 single crochet, and then in the third row 7 chains and 1 single crochet. Then we are going to finish and start all over again with the next series. So like this we are going to continue. Well, and here I am, I'm finishing the last row. Here at the end we are going to make a knot. Remember that all these threads that we have, we are going to hide it. I will count how many series I made after we made the rows of the neck. So let me open it. Remember that I still have to iron this poncho using a protection on there. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I made 10 series. So I think that for me 10 series are enough, and I like the long of the poncho that I already have. Remember at the end hide all these threads that we have. So now here for the neck we are going to make a row of single crochet all around. So I will start where I finish. So right here is where I will put the new threads. Well, so like this is how we are going to continue. While we make this row, I will hide and crochet over these threads to hide them a little bit. So in these spaces I will make 2 single crochet, and here over this segment 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochet in this space, and over the double crochet 1 single crochet. And like this is how I will continue all around, and I will make this just to reduce a little bit. And we also here we finish the row of single crochet. So at the end we are going to slip on 2 close, and now we are going to start and finish with this row. We are going to make now the crab stitch. Remember, it's like the single crochet but backwards, and in this case we won't skip any space or reduce. We are going to make 1 in each stitch. But if in your case you want to reduce even more, I suggest that you continue making more rows of single crochet until you have the width of the neck that you want. And well, now I will show you how we are going to decorate it, and we are going to make a flower. So we will start making 5 chains first. This is optional, and if you want also you can decorate by putting a bottom or a brush right there. But I want to show you. So we are going to make 5 chains and slip 1 to close in circle. So then we will go up with 1 and 2 chains, then yarn over, and inside of the ring we will make a double crochet out of 3 crochet. You see, again we will take 1, then 2, and the last. So here we have so far 3 double crochet, counting the first chains that we made, right? Then 4 double crochet, then 2 chains, and right here in the inside of the ring a single crochet. So This is one petal. Like this one, we are going to make 5 all inside the ring. Well, we are going to finish with 2 chains. Remember that we made 5 petals. Then we are going to make a single crochet right there. Then after we are going to make the second level of the flower. So we are going to make 4 chains and we are going to insert the hook right behind of the at the end of the first petal. We are going to place it in front and take the stitch from the back and a single crochet. So we are going to make these arches behind each petal. Again, 4 chains, and we are going to insert the hook from the back, passing it through in front, and then again insert it into the back to take the stitch and single crochet like this the whole row, making 4 chains behind. Well, at the end of these 5 arches with 4 chains each one, we are going to make petals inside of these arches, okay? So we will go up with 2 chains. And here inside we are going to make 4 double crochet, okay? All of them in the same place, remember, to make one petal. So here we have 3, 4, and we are going to finish with 2 chains. And here is where we finish the arch. Right there we will make a single crochet. So like this is how we are going to make the next 5 petals behind the first that we made. Well, here at the end we are going to make a third level. So we are going to make 4 chains and behind each petal we are going to make this arch. Then inside of this arch we are going to make petals, okay? But now instead of making the petals with 4 double crochet, we are going to make with 5 double crochet. And with this third level we are going to finish to make the flower. And well, just here at the end, when we finish to make the arches, remember that I told you that we are going to make the third level, and as I told you to, instead of making 4 double crochet, now in this row we are going to make 5 double crochet inside. This third level, it's up to you. You will decide how many levels you want to have. If you want to make one more, well, then also you have to increase the number of double crochet. In the next level you can make, instead of 5, making 6. They will finish with 2 chains and a single crochet. So like this we are going to continue the whole row, okay? So like this is how we are going to make a flower with 3 levels. And well, here at the end we finish, we have something like this. I love the flower. Remember that also you are going to iron using a protection under. Please be careful, you should extend perfectly all the petals and then iron. Well, what do you think? I was enjoying making this spread with you that I didn't want it to finish. I love to make this spread with all of you and to share it. I hope that you will make it in different colors too. As I told you, I think that this garment is a must have in your closet. It's perfect for any occasion and also for any season. What do you think of the flower? I think that it's an amazing detail. You can put a brooch behind, so you can put and take it if you want. Don't forget to give me a like, to subscribe. Remember that it's completely free, and thank you so much for watching until the end. Bye.